Yeah, so just showing a trade that I've just put in now. I'm going to pause it. So it's just evidence I've come in at this point of the market. I've not done a retracement because I'm just listening to a webinar and I'm kind of finding it hard to do two or three things at once. But I've put in the trade here, as you can see, stop loss here, take profit here. But I'm just in this webinar, getting these trades advised to me. So I thought I'd just put it on the video, and I'll pause it and see how we get on in the next, could be hours, could be days. Okay, speak soon. Really weird. I'm not sure if that recorded. So for the sake of repeating all of that, I'm not going to repeat the whole thing. I'm just going to press record because I'm not sure if it was recording. Yeah, the trade's going the right way. Didn't get in on my retracement. I actually didn't put a retracement in, but usually I would put a retracement in at around the 61.8. You'll remember that from the video before. So nearly would have taken that retracement, and we got a lovely profit, as you can see, down in the corner, £7 odd. Take profits up the top. I might lower that slightly so it's within this pin high, this peak. But what I've always been, rabbiting on about is the reward to risk, and we've got a 2-to-1, risking just over £9 to win 18. It's just below 2-to-1, but that for me is value all day. You don't need to win as many as you lose. I think at the moment I'm up over 12% in the last 4 or 5 weeks, and I've actually won not as many as I've lost, but that is because of this value that you can see here. So I'll just pause the video. Hopefully I'm not pausing it again, but I'm just doing this just in case I missed the record button. Okay, speak later. Take care. Bye-bye. Yeah, I'm just going to record me taking up my stop loss a little bit. We're not really advised to do this, but I sometimes like to just kind of limit the risk somewhat. So at the moment I'm losing, I will lose 9.73 if it goes to the red line. If I bring that up, to lose 6.16, up a little bit more, just below there. Now this could be, it's not really advised because yes, I am securing the bet somewhat, reducing it from £9 something to £4.74, but this, you've got to give it room to breathe. So this could come back down, not go to my original stop loss and then go back up to the profit. But I mean, I think there's enough breathing space there. So I'm going to just take that chance and go with that. So again, I'll pause it and resume later. Just to show you that I've moved the stop loss now, so it's 25p, win 25p, basically draw a blank, or hopefully this £8.30 carries on going up and we hit the £18.64. So I can't lose now. That's what is known as managing a trade, but I would usually leave it. I really would, but I'm just trying to show what can be done in regards to securing a trade. But sometimes this can backfire because, like I said before, if this comes down to here and stops me out for a 25p profit, which is basically just a no-go, and then reverses back up, it was the wrong thing to do. You must let these trades breathe, therefore not shoving the stop loss right up behind. But there's enough breathing space there, I believe. And I am going to bring this slightly down, just below this high, this pivot high here. But we have got a bit of room. I mean, this is the target point here, the 161% on the Fibonacci, and we're inside the Bollinger Band, the top Bollinger Band. So it's not a wrong place. But again, me just being safe, I'm going to probably just drop that just below this point here. But we'll just because I'm working at my desk now at home, I can do this. That's basically probably the reason I'm doing it, because I'm watching the trade. Also, I'm videoing to give an example of what can be done if you are kind of that risk adverse or not risk adverse. Okay, so again, I will pause and resume later. So just another little update. You'll be able to see the time, I think. Will you not be able to see the time on here? No, you won't. Time's over here. So yeah, it's been what, a good half of the day, I think. Oh, we can soon find out, can't we? When did we put this trade on? Is this the broker time? 4:01. So that will be 2:01. This trade went on 2:01 GMT. So 2:01. So it's been 3.5 hours, just over 3.5 hours. And it's going the right way. We're on now 12:13, 12:24, 12:17. I brought the stop loss down. Perfect example of, even though you're trying to close and lock a profit in, or even lock not losing, it came down. You can't see because it's come down into the same retracement as before. It's not gone any further. And it would have just taken me out for 25p. So I knew it was coming down, so I just moved it. So, you know, it's just a great example of, it's all very well bringing your stop loss up so you don't lose anything. But look at the trade I would have lost out on. I mean, it's not finished yet, so it's still too early to say that. But you should only really bring your stop loss, if at all, because you just got to let the trade do its thing. Hence, just let it breathe and don't be worried about leaving it in the market, because you have your stop loss to stop any big major losses. But you can bring it up. I could bring it up to here, look now, and whatever happens, I win £2.83, whatever happens. But I want to let it breathe a little bit more. Maybe bring it to there. So it's only £4.74, not the £9 original. But look at where it's gone now, you know. So once again, it's 5:47 GMT. I'm going to leave this on pause, and if we're very lucky, we might just finish this by today. And it's just a great example of you know, of one of the trades that the Forex trading coach can provide you. Right, I'll speak soon. Right, I'm just going to record the end of this trade. I'm going to get out of this trade because usually you take a profit on the 161%, but it's right on the tip of this high point here, which has been a high right the way. There's no space here. I know we've got a little bit of space into the top Bollinger Band, but you know what? I'm going to get out for a profit of £13.67, £13.81. Somebody's just on the phone, so I'll just take that profit.